5:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the September 7th, 2022. Approximately 4 hours before the daily close. We've got the DXY that's retracing back down to 109.54. It's come down past below the uptrend, but it is still a normal retest. We can come down to the 109.108. But you would anticipate, if we're going to go higher, that you'd want it to keep riding up here and not pull down and then do something like this and then create some kind of head and shoulders pattern. Preferably, you'd like this to bounce back up and come around. So we're watching very closely. I'm watching very closely. The U.S. dollar currency index has it rejected at the 110.441 support resistance area. We've got the total crypto market cap about 1.3% up to 9.25 billion, or 925 billion. And then we've got Bitcoin at the current moment just shy of 19,000, up 210 points or 1.12%. XRP's back up to 339 or up 3.98%. If you remember in the update this morning, I said exactly why I didn't short yet and what I was looking for. Well, this is exactly why, because if something like this were to play out and we didn't get the rejection point, this is what can happen. Now we're back on top of 3326. We're filling a lot of gaps here, but now we have to be very cautious in the immediate short term, because we have started across here. And as I've always said, the technical indicators, I use them because of the technical trader who doesn't understand how to draw out their own patterns, but they want to give themselves a level playing field, which there's no problem to that. It's just oftentimes you get caught up well behind when the actual move is made. So we've already had the bullish cross. The divergence is practically completed in the 30-minute. Right now, would it be abnormal to come up to where we're at now? It's just if we gain this support, we might have to come up to 34.34, which I'm not saying at all yet. Right now, the main thing is, to me, still, we haven't had that. To get a huge breakout out of this area, we really need to see some better volume, and we're just simply not getting it yet. We got these nice kickbacks, nice gap, we've got these gap fills, but the fact we came so easily back on top of that descending triangle is where it can be a cause for concern. Comes up, bounces in here, or it just finishes this move. What if it does come in here and it uses as support? Then you're talking about coming maybe to the top of the pattern again. So, as of right now, we have to watch these tricky pattern setups, but we've come on top of the 33.26. So the first thing would be to look for that 33.26 layer of support and see if it does act as a resistance and this was just a wick up. If that's the case, your next logical spot to look at would be a break of 33.07. Then you got to break 32.69 to come back within this bearish area. We still have not confirmed a breakdown below this downtrending support line, and that's continuing to be a big nemesis to us. We could have back tested it here, put in our short and come down, but it did not hold like that. In fact, it even came past here and could be coming to a head here. We don't know. But that's exactly why I said earlier, I thought it was better to just sit on the sidelines and I wouldn't even worry about trading the market. When they go on a spree of liquidating longs and shorts in a 24-hour time frame, it makes it very difficult to trade. Even the best traders, you just look away for 1 second and what happens. So basically, yesterday we had such a huge breakdown from 34.34. It's almost like we're coming back up to back test a broken level that we skipped at 33.26. We came down to the downtrending support line twice. First time hit it at 31.86. Second time it looked like we were starting to have a little noise. And then without a real volume spike, though, this is the thing. If you look at the bottom, it's my PVT, which is the price volume trend. Which I'm going to take this off and put it back on because the volume and everything, it looks real shaky. Like, just how bright it's coming through. So if you want to trade like me, this would be a perfect time to see the indicators. So you just go to the indicators, and this is Trading View for anybody wondering. Whoops. And for me, I clicked, I'm going to go to my indicators and then my favorites. So for the volume, I just clicked the standard volume. My PVT is the Everjet. And then my EMA is the 2050 100, and it's by Dr. Sweets. You can always screenshot that. There we go. So right now, if you look, 2.85 2.845 was the average volume right here. And we got up here, 2.85, nothing changed. We haven't picked up anything, nothing changed. But we did fill this gap beautifully. So now if we could hold this right here, that might present a long opportunity up to 34, but I would not get ahead of yourselves. I would just let this area trade out. We're not respecting any boundaries, and we're not even laying any groundwork right now. We are in the sense of we're trying to backtest and do all this stuff. But what if we pull up now? These are the areas where I'd really like to get a rejection on and continue lower. But we have to watch, we have to wait, and we have to prepare cautiously because 33.26 is the support in the area. And at this very moment, we've bounced off of it, and we're continuing upward. The next resistance is 34 confluently. So pay attention to what you're seeing. I'm not a financial advisor, but you should be glad I'm not. And would I take my advice? Probably not. Probably not. But if you agree with what the charts are saying, because the charts are always spitting facts, and if you can understand what I'm showing you, 33.26 is the support, 34 is the resistance. If we break 33.26, then we've got to back test here and try to break 33.06. And you put yourself in a mess where you have to break 32.68 as well. 31.83 is that overwhelming support that we need to get under and back test as resistance. But now the farther on we go, the more likely it is that we might have to climb down this barrier, and it doesn't become as simple as it was just a few hours ago. So if you want to trade like me and trade XRP without a VPN, here's how you do that. So if you want to trade like me, all you have to do is hit that down arrow. Come here. I have a little mission statement of what I'm doing, what we need to be aware of within what's coming up in the next play in the digital era, crypto, and not just that, the world finances. So read through that. That's in my video description. That's also on my About Me page. You can donate. Best thing you can do is join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. Help support me, keep this content free. Some want to donate XRP, so I put this up here. Make sure you include the destination tag, otherwise it won't work. If you want to donate through PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, it's down there under the donate link. And then if you want to join me over on BitGut, if you're trading crypto, join me on BitGut, use my partnered link. The reason why I use it, no VPN. It's a lot cheaper to buy my XRP there, and then I send it over to Uphold after. So join me there, and then I also copy trade. You can join the 90 plus other people that are copy trading me. Haven't been as active the last few days because of the volatility, but nonetheless, you can type in XRP Future Millionaire, join me over there. And if you want to get my other content, TikTok is the easiest way to get new and improved content in a different way. You can join me on Twitch daily. You can join me on Twitter, and also you can join my ISO headquarters, my other page that I find important. So if you want to join me on TikTok, the videos are doing much better than they are on YouTube with what I've been putting up. Of course, I'm not sure what just happened here because I think I just put the videos, I don't know what I just did. So if you want to join my TikTok, I've been putting out a lot of official documents. And these two I just put out today. It takes about a day or two to get through the analytics, but 6,000, 5,000. I mean, it's up to 621 followers, and I just showed yesterday and we're at like 526. So it's been an incredible journey so far. It's been like 7 weeks on TikTok, but now it's gaining a lot of steam, and it's been incredible. So if you want a little bit of different information, see some official documents, which I'll start sharing a little bit to YouTube because some felt offended that I wasn't sharing these to YouTube. So I did share the Ripple XRP versus SEC official document, key date September 9th and 10th, or 16th. See, it's got almost 6,000 views here on TikTok. I'll bet you it gets about 1,000 on YouTube. Stay blessed, everybody.